matter and the issues that concern you matter. Let's hear.
Welcome, Mr. Khan. You have 2 minutes to introduce yourself and your vision for London.
Well, can I also begin with a greeting of peace, shalom, assalamu alaikum, and good evening. Can I just say I've been to the Methodist Central Hall dozens and dozens of times. Never before has the atmosphere been as electric as it is tonight. I should say, South London citizens, but actually the loudest voice came from East London. I want to thank London citizens for not just hosting this assembly, or as us politicians call it, a hustings, but for the huge contribution you make towards our city, whether it's on housing or climate justice, minority rights.
Citizens. As a proud Londoner of Filipino heritage, all of these issues are personal to me and my community. Our specific asks on ESOL, asylum bus travel, and citizenship are on the screen, which you have had in advance. Mr. Khan, will you do all you can to support migrant Londoners, including with access to skills and routes to citizenship? You have 4 minutes.
Yes. London's diversity is our greatest strength. This includes all those who've chosen to live and work in our city. People who have come here from all over the world, make an amazing contribution to our city and to our country, like some of you here tonight, and people like my parents who came to this country. And I want to take a moment to say something about the government's Rwanda policy, which was passed in Parliament this week.
I believe there's power and courage in me, and whatever happens, good days and bad ones, I will stand and say, I can climb this mountain.
Tonight is Mayor Assembly. It was amazing.